how can we express and define love as it is? Some of us would try to define love as love is like a bubble gum, kumupilit, makabuang. Others would define love in many other forms, like love is like a rosary full of mysteries. And yet, as we try to exhaust words of defining what love is, love could never be defined. But when we feel it, we know it is it. It is love.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go.
Jo Marie, do you take Rexel May here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Moves along your face, it captures everything I long to say. So don't look back, love, and don't you wait. Just say you'll run with me, come what may. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you
Rexel May, do you take Jo Marie here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
something beautiful.
Jesus does not just define or give us a pointer to what love is. Jesus gives us an example of what love is. He says, "Love one another as I have loved you."